سلام به LELB Society خوش آمدید. در این درس میخوایم خواندن و نوشتن زبان فارسی رو تمرین کنیم و من از زبان انگلیسی هم استفاده میکنم برای غیر فارسی زبانم. Hello and welcome to this presentation on how to read and write the Persian letters in Persian alphabet. I'm Dr. Hariri and I'm the founder of LELB Society. This time I'm going to teach you how to read and write some basic words in Farsi, and I'm going to use this digital board to facilitate and make it easier for you to understand how to read and write. One of the first rules in Persian alphabet and reading and writing in Farsi is that you need to read and write from right to left. This is a big difference between Farsi and English, and you should remember that all the time, from right to left. This time I'm going to teach you around 10 basic words, and I'm going to teach you the letters, the most important and frequently used letters in Persian, in the Persian alphabet. So the first word is ab, which means water. So ab, yeah, let me just select this. Okay, ab. So this is I bakola, and this is be. We have two types of be. This is actually lowercase be, and this is uppercase or capital be, which is bigger or larger. And this is I bakola. And remember, when you see this I bakola with an accent on top, you should pronounce this letter as A, complete A. And almost always, there are some exceptions, it appears at the beginning of each word. So A plus B, ab, which means water. So I bakola plus B. So I'm going to just write another word that is, so far you know two letters, I bakola and B. Okay. The second word that I'm gonna teach you in this presentation is ard. Ard. I bakola again, re and de. So remember, you can learn two other new words, new letters. This is re and this is de. Okay, so this is ard. And ard means flour, uh, a material that you need to use to bake bread. So you mix it with water and you just bake or make, for example, cakes or bread. So I erased my digital board to use it again. So this is the second word, as I said, ard. Aybakola. As you can see, I write from right to left. Re and de. So ard, ard. So the third word is baba, a very simple word. So I have selected them alphabetically ordered. So baba. Remember, as I said, this is the initial be or be kuchik, small be, and this is be bozorg or final be, or and if you just uh, connect ب کوچیک or small b or lowercase b plus aleph, the outcome would be ba. So b plus a equals ba. And if you just duplicate it or copy that, that would be baba, baba. And baba means father or daddy, let's say, in informal Farsi. So I write it again. This is the initial be or the small be plus a, that would be ba. And if you just copy that, ba, ba, very simple. It means father. Okay, this is the third word, and the fourth word, bod. Bod. The words have been, as I said, listed alphabetically. B, A. This is Aleph. You know, this letter is Aleph, which is different from Aiba Kolam. It could have a variety of sounds depending on its location in the word. So B plus A plus D. That would be Bod. Bod. Bod in Farsi means wind. Wind. Bod. Bod. Again, B A D. Bod. All right, so let me erase my word. The fifth word is or. Or. B plus A plus re. Bar. Bar. So bar means load or burden. Load, Load. Yeah. And so it's very similar to bod, with this exception that it has re at the end instead of de. So bar. All right. You might know this letter, which is very common in Persian alphabet, uh, and this is ne or noon. Initial ne or small ne plus last or final or detached or uppercase ne. So uh, you need to know that in order to read and write the sixth word, which is baran, 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 which means rain, baran. So I write it one more time, baran, and we use this type of name, the final name, because it is located at the end of the word. Baran, as I said, it means rain. All right, the seventh word is ba z. Ba z. So you should know two new letters in Farsi. If you put a dot, this is re, you already know that. And if you put a dot on top of that, that would be z. So this is re and this is z. Again, re and z. So they are very similar. In Farsi, there are some letters that are very, very similar to each other with some minor, let's say, differences. And this is ye or final ye. And we will learn them and reinforce your mastery actually later on. So far, let's say, let me just write this word again. Ba, zi, bazi. Bazi means game, playing, and children love this activity, which is good for their mental and physical growth. And so, bazi, ba, zi, bazi. Okay, so let me erase my word because you can just rewind this video or fast forward it to locate the exact part of the video. So the ninth word is ur, ur. So you already know be, you already know re. The letter that you have not learned so far is u or ve, u or ve. So you just write be plus u plus re, and the outcome would be bur. Bur in Farsi means blonde, you know, bur. So I just try to choose some simple words in Farsi that are spelled spelled out very simply. So bur, bur. Okay. So another word which is very similar to bur, with the exception of pe instead of be, that is pur, pur. Remember, be, you should be able to differentiate or just make a distinction between be, this is be, and if you put three dots below that, be changes to pe. So these are lower cases, lowercase b and lowercase p. What about uppercase b and uppercase p? Very simple. So uh, that would be poor, poor, p, u, re, poor. Poor in Farsi, actually, in modern Farsi, doesn't have any it is not used frequently, but in literary Persian, it means pesar or son, or usually as a child, son, son. All right, so next word. So far, you know be, you know pe, uh, yeah, you know pe, and if you put two dots on top of that, that would be te. These three letters are very similar and very frequent. So again, be, pe, and te. Okay, the first line is the initial or lowercase, and the second line, the uppercase, or actually the capital. So I explained that because you need to read and write the following two words. The first one is tab, te plus a plus b, and I connect t and a, and that would be tab, tab, tab. Tab is is a piece of equipment in playground for children. Swing, swing. So tab. Let me write it one more time. Tab, tab. So, and the last word that I have selected for this video is tour, tour, tour. That means net, N-E-T. So again, te, u, re, te plus u, and I connect it, plus re, tour, tour. So let me just review the letters that you have learned so far. I با کلام، الف، ب، ت، پ، ر، د، and also ne. So you have learned 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 8 letters in Farsi. And if you use this series of Persian tutorials, you will be able to read and write very easily uh, the Persian language. So please subscribe to our YouTube channel or follow us on Instagram actually for the upcoming videos. And I do my best to just improve the quality of these tutorials. Or you can visit our website at lelb.net or actually search our online community LELB Society on the internet. Thank you so much for your attention. خیلی ممنون از توجه شما و شب و روزتون به خیر. خدا نگهدار. Bye everybody.